buying. Wow, Amy, look at all the different flavors of soda. Flavors. There's mango,
Pineapple. Flavor.
oh, strawberry.
Listen to this description. Pasta with Italian sausage and mushrooms in a delicious butter sauce. Just reading that made me hungry.
More extra.
Extra.
Laundry
Laundry.
Jar.
jar, a glass container.
This conversation is making me hungry. This conversation is making me hungry.
This conversation
This conversation is making me hungry.
I have very little time to go out and eat, so I ordered lunch. Shuttle. Little. Great idea. How about pineapples?
This restaurant is amazing, but it looks expensive.
I watched a cooking show after work. It made me hungry. Just talking about food makes me hungry.
This jar is empty. I need to buy some cookies.
All these pictures of food make me hungry.
This menu has very little good food on it. Can we try somewhere else? Shuttle. Little. Okay, Maria, what should we order? The steak looks good, but the chicken looks good, too. Maybe we can order both. What do you think?